Why AI revolution needs silver generation. Born in the 1960s, I grew up alongside the technological tidal waves that reshaped our modern world. I watched the home computer move from a curiosity to a necessity. I saw the internet erase geographic boundaries, and mobile technology placed the world in our pocket. Each of these eras produced pioneer visionaries who saw opportunities where others saw only novelty. I admired them, learned from them, and benefited from the worlds they built. But I was rarely one of them. For much of my career, my focus lay elsewhere. I spent decades building security operations, managing risk, and navigating organizations defined by urgency and crisis. While the tech bros of Silicon Valley were breaking things, I was the one fixing them. That path shaped me deeply, placing me firmly in the role of a responder rather than a disruptor. Looking back, I realized I had let those previous revolutions pass me by, assuming that innovation was the domain of the young. But as artificial intelligence, AI, accelerate, I recognized something unmistakable. Artificial intelligence presents an inflection point equal to the internet, but with one crucial difference. This time, the revolution doesn't just need speed, it needs wisdom. And that is why, as I approach my 60th year, I am choosing not to let this moment pass. I'm going all in. Why AI is different. In the era of the early web and mobile apps, the bias toward use was largely justified. Those revolutions rewarded low coding speed and the ability to work 20-hour days. But AI is different. AI is not simply another tool layered onto existing systems. It is a fundamental shift in how decisions are made, how risks are assessed, and how judgment is scaled. It is less about writing new code and more about understanding the complex patterns of the real world, viewed through the lens of stability and crisis management. AI feels less like a departure and more like a natural extension. AI models, for all their brilliance, are prone to hallucination and catastrophic error when left unguided. They optimize for mathematical probability rather than human reality. To function safely, they require guardrails, the kind of structural governance and ethical foresight that is only forged through decades of lived decades of lived experience.